Understanding the phrase, jazzed up, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into a very interesting and colorful phrase in the English language, jazzed up. This phrase is quite popular and can be used in various contexts, which we will explore together. So, if you're ready to add some flair to your English vocabulary, stay tuned and let's get started. Jazzed up is an idiomatic expression derived from the lively and spontaneous characteristics of jazz music. When something is jazzed up, it means that it has been made more interesting, exciting, or attractive. This can apply to objects, events, or even a person's appearance. For example, if you wear a plain dress but add some flashy jewelry and a stylish hat, you could say that you've jazzed up your outfit. Let's go through some examples to see how jazzed up can be used in different contexts. 1. Fashion. She jazzed up her outfit with a bright red scarf. 2. Food. We jazzed up the plain rice by adding some spices and herbs. 3. Events. They jazzed up the party with lively music and colorful decorations. 4. Work presentations. I jazzed up my PowerPoint slides with images and animations to make it more engaging. In each of these examples, jazzed up is used to describe making something more vibrant, interesting, or appealing. One common mistake learners might make is using jazzed up in a formal or very serious context. While jazzed up is a perfectly acceptable phrase, it has a casual and informal tone. So, it might not be suitable for formal business emails or academic papers. A tip for using jazzed up correctly is to think about whether you are describing adding flair, excitement, or attractiveness to something. If so, jazzed up is a great choice. And that wraps up our video on the phrase, jazzed up. We hope that this video has helped clear up the meaning of this phrase and shown you how to use it in various contexts. Remember, language is all about expressing yourself, and phrases like jazzed up add color and personality to your communication. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English. Until next time, happy learning!